SVR IAS Academy welcomes you to the Target IAS 2016 online video lectures. ComeOnIndia.com is our website. In this video lecture, you will learn an important topic for 2016 IAS exam is Spaceward bound program. Spaceward bound program. It is the project of NASA. Now you may ask one question. NASA may have more than hundreds of projects or programs. What is the relevance to in the context of India? As a civil service aspirant, it is difficult to remember all the hundreds of project names. Then why should you remember about Spaceward bound program? Because for the first time, India is going to participate in the Spaceward bound program in 2016. Under Spaceward bound program, 2016 research is going to be conducted in Ladakh region in Jammu and Kashmir. So, in this background, you must know something about Spaceward bound program. Now, let's try to understand the core objective of Spaceward bound program. As you know, we are trying to reach the Mars. Recently, Maven spacecraft and Mangalyaan reached the Mars and conducting a lot of research. Can human beings reach Mars there, or human exploration to Mars is possible, and is there any possibility of human settlement in the Mars? Because Mars has thin atmosphere and it has dry extreme climates. Then how to assess the topography of the Mars so that we can plan accordingly? For that, scientists are identifying the places on Earth which are similar to the conditions on the Mars. For that, they have chosen different areas like deserts and extreme climate places, and scientists are doing research and topographical research, and based on that they are trying to assess the climatic conditions on the Mars. In 2016, scientists decided to do research in the Ladakh region in Jammu and Kashmir. It has dry ecosystem which may look similar to the topographical features of Mars. And another objective is that under Spaceward bound program, NASA tries to organize students and teachers and to do the research together and funds the project in extreme climate conditions, because today's students may become teachers in tomorrow, so that tomorrow or in future space explorers can get the opportunity and students will get interest in this space exploration projects. So it's a core objective of Spaceward bound program. So it's a NASA's project is the first prelims point that educates the future space explorers and funds the expeditions to the places with the extreme climate conditions. So try to write the definition exactly. Look at the image. It is a place on Earth. But if you look at the photographs of on the Mars which are taken by Maven spacecraft or Mangalyaan, it looks like similar. That's why NASA tries to do research in the places on Earth which looks similar to the Mars. By doing research, we can find out the features of the Mars and we can make future predictions. As already we discussed, India joins the Spaceward bound program for the first time in 2016. In 2016, 3 organizations, mainly NASA, Mars Society in Australia, Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleobotany, which is located in Lucknow, will mount an expedition to the Ladakh to find out the similarities of certain parts of this region's topography with the microbiological life of the Martian surroundings. So the research is important in the Indian context also. For the first time, Indians participating in the Spaceward bound program. Now you may ask one question: why Ladakh region is chosen in India? Why Ladakh region is chosen in India, not the other region? Ladakh offers a unique reason. The reason is that is a high mountain region from the ocean bottom. The region is highly exposed to the ultraviolet rays is the first point. The region is highly exposed to the ultraviolet radiation because of its height from the surface. And second reason is that it is a dry region. So it has dry ecosystem which is similar to the Mars conditions. And these are the reasons that scientists chosen Ladakh for its research. What is Mangalyaan 2.0? As you know, India launched Chandrayaan-1 to study the moon and Mangalyaan-1 to study the Mars. India is going to launch Chandrayaan-2 in 2018 and India is going to launch Mangalyaan 2.0 in 2020. These are some important factual points which may be useful for prelims examination. So revise all the points which are useful for the prelims examination, mainly the NASA project. India joins the program for the first time. Ladakh region is chosen for it, and 2018 is a Chandrayaan-2 and 2020 is the Mangalyaan 2.0. And download the PDF and all the best.